Good day, guys. It's your one and only Beastleg72, as you all know me, your mentor. So, guys, before I start, I'd like to say thanks to each and every one of you that did subscribe to the YouTube channel. You understand? Our first goal was 100 subscribers, and we did reach that 100 subscribers. You understand? Let's continue growing the channel to more subscribers, and let's not forget to hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next one. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel, let's please subscribe. You understand, guys? Let's continue growing the channel to more subscribers. Understand? So, guys, as you can all see, I'm on Bitcoin weekly chat. So, guys, what you need to know about Bitcoin also goes in hand with many currencies. You understand? As much as DXY goes in hand with US currencies, you understand? Also, Bitcoin goes in hand with most currencies, and it also goes in hand with most indices. You understand? But I will discuss that later. So Bitcoin is the only currency that will be operating even tomorrow, since it's a Saturday. You understand? So, guys, as you all know, I will start with my lowest point and also start with my highest point. You understand? One thing I'll be doing, guys, I'll be identifying my zones inside this rectangle. Whatever that's inside this rectangle, my zones will be there. You understand? I won't focus on what happened in the past, but I'll focus on what's currently happening. You understand? So, guys, what you also need to know, I'll be identifying my zones as usual that act as my support and resistance. You understand? I need to know where I'm coming from, and I also need to know where I am heading to. You understand? You need to know, guys, you need to know where you are coming from, and you also need to know where you are heading to. It's like a person that was a child, now he's a grown man or grown woman, and that same person has to have a future at some place. You understand? So let me just identify my zones, guys, as usual, and also I'll come back to you. But if you would check, we have a candlestick that's above, understand, our support. You understand? Meaning we were buying. You understand? But because today it was NFP, that's why you are seeing this rejection here. You understand? And if you check, we also have a double top here. You understand? We also have a double top. That's one of the confluences that's pushing the market to the downside. Understand? So let me just identify my zones, and then I'll get back to you all, as you know, guys. So, guys, I'm back again, guys. So as you can all see, guys, you can all see that the market respected these zones. Understand? You can see that the market did respect this zone. We had a rejection there, what we call manipulation. You also see that the market did respect our zone there. The market did respect our zone. The market did respect our zone. And currently, guys, we are on that support that I was telling you about. You understand? So let me just identify the support there. Let me just also identify this resistance. You understand? Because currently I can see that we are below this resistance. On the smaller time frames, you'll see a candlestick below. Understand? So me seeing these rejections, it also tells me that during New York and also during NFP, Bitcoin was on its bullish momentum. Bitcoin was on its buying opportunities. You understand? So let me just go to my daily chart. Understand? Sorry about that. Let me just go to my daily chart and see what I am seeing on the daily chart. So on my daily chart, guys, you can see that I'm introduced on a bullish trend. You understand? I am introduced in a bullish trend. You can see we had our impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Now we are experiencing a correction. So this correction will end on top of this zone here, and then we'll be looking for our impulse. But then if the market decides to break, then we know we are coming to the downside. You understand? So let's see what we are looking for currently, guys. So I'll just connect my trend from there to there. Understand? So you can see we have our first point, our second point, and as I always say, our third point acts as our reversal each and every time. So I'll just connect my trend from the top there to the bottom there, understand? So guys, each and every time, please draw your trend lines on top of your wicks, because as you go to the smaller time frames, the wicks that you are avoiding on the bigger time frames, on the smaller time frames, it will be a full candlestick, and you don't want to get confused, you understand? So I did identify my trend, and I know that I'm on a what, on a bullish momentum or bullish trend, you understand? So let me just go to my 4-hour. So on my 4-hour, let me just identify something. You can see, guys, I can see that we had a trend inside a trend. Understand? We had a trend inside a trend there. Understand? Then the market decided to what? The market decided to break. Understand? But the 90% rule was not successful. Then now we have what we call another one there. Understand? We have another one there. Let me just do this. Let me just do this. Let me just do this. That's perfect. Understand? So this is perfect. Let me just also fix this. So let me just make sure I make these things smaller. I make these things smaller, guys. So yeah, this is perfect now. So we can all see, guys, that currently we did not break this trend line. Understand? We did not break this trend line. So we just have to wait for the market to break the trend line. Then we know that we are going to the downside. But currently the market is on top of this trend. So as we go to smaller time frames, we will see if the trend line was broken or not. You understand? So as you all know, guys, on my 4-hour, I always identify my entry points. You understand? From that high there to that low there. Understand? So I can see that the market did come here and went to the downside. You understand? Then now I'll just have to identify this high there and that low there. Understand? And then just do this. So what am I looking for? I am looking for the market to just push here, then drop. Understand? But then, as I said, we have to go to smaller time frames. So smaller time frames, will go to my 1 hour now. Understand? So guys, it's a top-down analysis. You have to start from your highest time frame and then go to your lowest time frame. Understand? So let me just see something. I see something here. I see a trend that was broken. I see a trend that was broken, and also I see a trend that was broken. Understand? So this one, guys, I'll have to delete. I'll have to delete. You understand? And focus on these two. Understand? So as you can see that here we did break. You understand, guys? And here we have what we call a resistance. We have what we call a resistance, and we can see that the market did push to the downside and came to our resistance and pushed to the downside. You understand? So what we are looking for, guys, we are looking for the market to drop, let's say from there to this 90% rule here. Understand? We are looking for the market to drop from this resistance here to this 90% rule. But then if it decides to also drop, we will be also looking to go to the downside to this 90% rule here. Understand? So for now, we just have to focus on this one here. Understand? We just have to focus on that one here. Understand? So let's see if we can find any possible entry points. Understand? Look how clean the chart is, guys. We have to make sure that you understand what you are doing in order for you to also know where you will be entering. You don't have to get confused, because the more you get confused, guys, that's whereby you will tend to also blow the account. So you can see that the market did respect our trend here. The market did touch. This was a third touch, guys. and the market pushed to the resistance. That resistance had power. It was strong enough because here it was tested, here it was tested, now it is tested again, you understand? So the market had no impact but to push the market to the downside, you understand? So we did push to the downside, and as you can see, we did break and we did retest here, you understand? There is a little retestment here, guys. There's a really little retestment there. Let me just fix this here. We see that there's a retest here, understand? So what you need to do, you have to take your buying opportunity, your selling, sorry, you have to take your selling opportunities to this point here. This is your first TP, and just put your stop loss little above this resistance, you understand? Allow the market to push to the downside. If the market breaks, then now you know you are coming to this point here. This is your final take profit, you understand? Because of this 90% rule, which was caused by this broken trend, you understand? But for now, you just have to focus on your first TP, which is this one here, understand? So let me just go to smaller time frames, 30-minute, and see any possible entry point, guys. We have to find an entry point. We have to find, you can see, guys, what I said, you understand? So meaning your selling opportunities were supposed to be here, understand? You could have been on profits now, understand? Allow the market to push to the downside. So let's see any possible selling opportunities from this to there. You can see the market won't be coming there anymore, so we have to take it from this high there to that low there, understand? Let's see something. You can see that the market did retest here, guys. The market did retest there. You see, you could have been on profits, you understand? So now we are forced to go to smaller time frames. So let's just go to 5-minute chart, and oh, sorry about that. Let's go to 5-minute chart and see what it has for us. Let's see what it has for us, understand? Yeah, beautiful, guys, beautiful. So we have our we have our high there, we have our low there, understand? So you can see that the market is currently here, meaning now our selling opportunities will be from there to the downside there, understand? You can see, guys, you can see. Let's just put our stop loss above the high here, understand? Let's also delete this, and then let's move to the highest chart, which is our 1 hour. Let's see exactly my point. So this is what we are currently looking for. Let me just go to the highest chart to fix this rectangle there. Let me just fix this there, guys. Just fix that there. Then move to 1 hour chart. 1 hour. So now you can see, guys, we are looking for those selling opportunities to the downside, you understand? We are looking for the selling opportunities to the downside. You can see the rejection there. Let me just do this. You can see the rejection there, guys. You see this thin, you can see, let me just zoom in. You can see this rejection, guys. You can pretty see this rejection, you understand? So yeah, we just have to enter the market and then put our stop loss above, you understand? Then allow the market to move to the downside. As you always know, guys, I'll always update you whenever something happens, you understand? So just know we are looking for our selling opportunities to that support there. If the market breaks that support, we'll be looking for another selling opportunities to the to that other support, you understand? Let me just fix this here because our entry point is there. Our entry point is there somewhere there. Let me just, yeah, this is our entry point there on the straight line. Yeah, on the straight line there. So yeah, so this is our entry point. We just have to wait for the market to push to the downside to this support there. Understand? So this is also our low. We have a low there. Once the market breaks this low, it's also one of the confirmations that for sure we are going to the downside. You understand? But as I always say, guys, we don't enter without any confirmation. We just have to wait for a confirmation and then we enter. You understand? But for now, we are looking for selling opportunities on Bitcoin. Understand? We are looking for selling opportunities on Bitcoin. Why didn't it? Let's change this. So yeah, we are looking for selling opportunities on Bitcoin. Now for hour is too big. Let's go to 30-minute chart. So yeah, 30-minute. I want you to be confused, guys. Just looking for that selling candle. I think 5 minutes is fine, guys. We just have to go to 5 minutes. Yeah, let's just keep it like this. Understand? We just have to keep it like that. So yeah, we are looking for our selling opportunities on Bitcoin. I'll just come back and update you when something happens. You understand? So guys, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video, and let's share the channel and grow the channel together. As you all know me, guys, it's your mentor, BeastLex72. Thank you, guys.